This is how to fix the error code C1264 on your Worcester Bosch boiler. If it's displaying an error code, it simply means there's something wrong with your boiler. With the Greenstar 30 SI Combi boiler, this problem is likely caused by the airflow being interrupted during its operation. First, let's try resetting your boiler. If the error is still showing after you've pressed reset, then we'll need to look a little deeper, and this isn't something you can fix here. For more advice or to arrange a visit straight away from one of our Gas Safe Registered engineers, just click the Get in Touch link below. Simple as that.